What's going on, guys? It's your boy and we're back with another video, and in this video we are going to be modding my GTI right here. So we got a brand new exhaust system. I got it from Rev9. It is one of the more affordable ones. I think I paid like 400 bucks maybe for the whole thing, so it's not even that bad. I remember for the Type bar, the exhaust, the catback I put on it, I think I spent like, I think it was like 1,300. That was expensive. But for this one, it was pretty cheap, 400 bucks. So I was like, you know what? I might as well pull the trigger and get it done. And don't worry, guys, I got more mods coming for the Type bar. I already got them here, actually. I'm just waiting for time to install them pretty much. But before we continue, let's go ahead. Let's do a quick cold start. Not even a cold start. I already kind of started the car a little bit ago, but let me turn it on so you guys can hear some revs. Oh, I don't even got the key. Hold up. Where's the key at? La llave? Then we lost the key. Right, guys, I got the key right here. Ooh. All right. Oh. And as you guys can see, it's pretty quiet, but you can't even hear it. Let me put the mic right here. Hold up. So as you guys can see, it's not loud at all. And I saw some reviews on this on YouTube already, and it does open it up. It does open the whole exhaust up a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and take all this apart so I can kind of like set it up, and then once it's set up, then we can take off the old one. Right, low key, bro. An exhaust has to be the first mod you put in a car, but like for like dead ass. Well, this thing's so shiny. Like honestly, any car I've gotten, like when I had the Mustang, the first mod I got on it was a catback exhaust. Same thing with the Type bar. First mod I did to it, the exhaust. Because I just feel like the whole driving experience just gets way better when you have an exhaust on it, you know? All right, guys, so we got the whole setup right here. Well, this thing legit is just like a straight pipe. It only has this little small resonator / muffler, whatever this is. Because look, like, let me show you how the original one looks. So look at this right here. Look at this big muffler, and then I'm pretty sure there's another resonator all the way down there. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this car up, and then get down there and then see what I gotta do to take it off. And then also, we got another mod in this video. I'm gonna make this thing look clean. I'm pretty sure this is the Golf R wing, so that's gonna go right here. Good. Low key, like, tell me if there's a good or bad idea. In my Type bar, I kind of want to get rid of that wing and put like that big ass wing, bro, like that. Like, what is it? I forgot the brand of it, bro, but it's like a huge wing that goes like all the way up here. Yeah. I know. I'm a ricer, okay? It's cool. I embrace it. I embrace that my taste is not the best, and that's cool. All right, so we got the car up in the air. It kind of looks crooked though. Bro, listen, man, stuff happens, but what do we gotta do to take this out? Okay, so I see a hanger right here. Well, it's really tight in here, I'm not gonna lie. Let's get that bracket right there. Okay, I'm gonna get to work here real quick. I'm gonna time myself. I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes. I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes to get this done. What time is it? It's 3:17. It's 3:17, so I have to be done by 4 at the latest. And then, just so you guys see again, this is how it looks before the wing. And then once he's done, well, actually here, try it on. Clean. I'm telling you, it's the smallest things that make the biggest difference. All right, guys, let me get to work real quick. Let's get this going, and then I should really buy like something to put when I'm working on cars. I just use this random mat that I got. The whole exhaust out. What time is it? Look, it's been 15 minutes. I told you I wasn't that bad. What up? Oh. Get right over here. Oh. There we go. All right, so this is a new one. So this one, look, it's got no muffler right here, and it's only got a small rest in there right there. Then look at the OEM one. This big box, and they're so heavy too. These are at least like 50 pounds, bro. That's like probably like 5-10 pounds. And then this big rest in there right here. Bro, this thing is gonna be quiet. And then we gotta reuse this clamp right here. So let's put that down there. All right, so now we're just gonna take these out. So that one, this one, and that one. Then we're gonna put them right there. And then I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna finish putting these on. I can't even. But I should have low-key put some grease on this first. Damn. There you go. Cool. So that's on, that's on. All right, guys, we are done. We just gotta clean up. Oh, actually, let me show you what time it is. Hold up, hold up. Throw this over here. And then the reason we keep them is just because if I do sell the car in the future, I can put that one back in the car and then sell it. And then I'm not too sure what to do with this. I'm pretty sure that these were just extra parts. Well, that's that. Let's get. Look at that. It has an EcoBoost. Did you guys know that back in the day I had an EcoBoost? I was 18. This was in 2018. Yeah, damn, that was 8 years ago. Shit. In case you guys don't know, I'm 27. I feel old. I feel old and I haven't accomplished nothing in life. That's crazy. Okay. All right. Let's release this up. And then we're gonna go on a test drive. And then if you guys didn't know, I actually had a GTI back in the day. I had a 2020 GTI in 2020. But that's another car I had. And then on that one, I didn't do an exhaust. I just took it to a muffler shop, and then I just had them cut off the muffler. So okay. And then it's 4:26, so it took me about an hour to finish this. Hey, actually less, because we're kind of cleaning up here for a little bit. Let's see. And if it's not loud enough, we're gonna get a downpipe. shit. Oh, I feel like we still need a downpipe. Imagine it with a downpipe, and once we tune it, so that anytime we shift, it just pops. Oh, it's cold. Can you guys hear that? Hey, how come this thing farts like that? How come like my Mustang, it didn't sound like that when I shifted? I'm telling you guys, exhaust is a must as a first mod on any car. Yo no. I don't think we're in sports mode. Wait, let's put this thing in sports mode. Hold up. There we go. You always gotta put it in sports mode, guys. Alright. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey, I tell you, exhaust is a. Oh shit! Let me hold up. Let me get out the way so my dad can get it. An exhaust is a must. It's a must as a first mod. Come on now. That was nice, huh? All right, guys. So we are back to the house after that whole test drive. Bro, I'm telling you, this thing is it sounds so mean, bro. Imagine with a downpipe. Ooh. But either way, we're gonna put this. We gotta put the wing on now. Tiene que stick in la corner, ¿verdad? ¿Y dónde tiene que stick? A ver, ¿tú cómo lo tienes? Press it, yeah, press it, okay. I think we should just throw a random thing right here. I'm just kidding. That was a tornillo. Okay. All right, guys, and then look at how clean this looks. But like the whole rear end looks different now. Now we need some lowering springs, some wheels, some tints, and the wrap maybe. And then after all that's done, bro, this car is gonna look crazy. And we also got a lot of stuff planned out for the Type R. So I got 2 boxes here already for the Type R in parts. And also have the wrap for it. So we're gonna wrap it, install also the 2 parts, and then also have some other things coming for the 350Z. And then some other things for this one as well. Oh, bro, my bank account is empty, but hey, listen, bro, the cars are gonna look so clean. They're gonna sound so clean. Bro, like imagine if we wrap this car pink, the Type R pink, And then we have my brother's GR86 pink already. Oh, bro, this is gonna look so clean, bro. But either way, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.